Everybody listen attentively. Yes. Some go say, J-Pack, why they always talk about VDM? Yes. As in they talk about others, we're going to talk about him. I've been the follow VDM before. When I they follow, I've been member of Rattel. When I they follow the VDM, I be DVD. Why they follow him before? VDM is only activist. Then, when they fight for the oppressed, if they fight government, that time they never monetize in page. I want to tell you that the secret of all this way VDM they do now, because say they don't monetize in page. You know, say once they monetize you, you go begin to shook mouth for anywhere, anything will not concern you, so that you go to get view. You know why they speak this for broken? If my broken good, fine. If you no good, after all, English is not my mother tongue. Yeah. Now, when VDM never dey monetize, now that time be confirmed activist. Yes. Just like Harrison Gwamnishu for Delta State. Harrison Gwamnishu is only activist where they respect today. He no care about monetization. He is doing his own work accordingly, perfectly, together with VDM. That was then. Now, VDM can't go monetize in page. Come notice say na every blessed day, if you no post something for your page go to go down. That is, they call it engagement. That engagement is what you will have. Your page will not go down. I myself, I did not say I'm a content, I'm an activist. We be content creator. Everybody knows us. We be blogger. We do it for a living. We don't start to the blog day. But person wey deceive una saying be activist. Later come deviate from activist. Come become content creator. Very dark man, you are a content creator. You say you go crash down business, crash this one. You are breaking container. Make I shock you, very dark man. 99.9% of people doing business in China are all Igbos. We have an Anambra meeting, we have Enugu meeting, we have a Ebonyi meeting, we have Abia meeting, we have Imo meeting, we have Delta, we have every tribe. Igbo number one. The only Igbo man go rent shop for China, employ Chinese, like Chinese go there under and they work for him. Now he say he go crash business. If we want to show you Shege Promas, very dark man, look at me. If Igbo people want to treat you the way you are treating them, if you buy anything where you go buy here, no company will go carry no will not be Igbo company. Yeah. Confirm, no be matter of mouth. Now only Igbo people they do logistics here. If you see Chinese man where they do logistics, if they affiliated with Igbo man. If you buy that your container, the logistic company will go carry up. The Igbo man. We'll just start from this China. I talk I'm not very dark man. Na Papa Wolf. Who go clear them for you? Na Igbo man. Now we there for clearing from 1 to Z. We there for shipment from 1 to Z. If you want to return back what we are giving to Igbo, very dark man, you go cry. Wah! You know what he be cry? He go cry. This apology where you do, he just wuru and mago apology, because your apology no enter your heart. At the end of the apology, you are still allocating yourself. That is to say, you are a content creator. Why I call VDM a content creator? Somebody like B-Lord buy car, he say an upgraded car, because you don't get content. You want to say something that will give you views. Person where they drive Lamborghini, now you're going to convert Mercedes S500. Nothing where VDM have ever started and ended it well. Nothing where he start, where he end up well. It must stop on the middle of the road. So my brother, I'm not here to insult you, but if you said I insult, so be it. Never you bring mouth for where Igbo man there. If you want to do your content, there are many ways to do content. Go and look for funny bros. Go and look for Cyber News. Go and look for so many people where they do content. Join them because you're a content creator. You never start something and end it well. Either you do this or you do this or you do this. In a crash business, in a bad apology. If VDM no be content creator, watch. No minute where VDM no dey post video. No minute. And it's true and about whatever. Maybe you don't know say people don't invest for them. You know they lose relevance. Because the 90% of people where they follow you are all Igbos. 90% of people where they follow you na Guinea, na Igbo men. Your NGO highest donor na Igbo man.
Confirm.
When Don Jazzy give you 100 million, Don Jazzy in be Calabar, in be outside be Fulani, no be Igbo man.
Na Igbo man.
The highest donor for your NGO, no be Igbo man.
Na Igbo man.
Na Igbo man. The highest followers, no be Igbo man, Igbo people. Na Igbo people. You get one page where insult Igbo people. They call it rant headquarters. Rant headquarters then they get highest followers for social media. But when they bring mouth for where Igbo people dey, now so Igbo people pull out one day, every day 100,000 followers they come out. Every day 100,000 followers. As they do and the guy come out beg. You must beg him. That's your apology. It's unacceptable.
It's unacceptable.
You must, because your followers, I know say people when they tell you hi, ride on. Imagine somebody that have 3 million followers cannot be able to say one single paracetamol. You be influencer, you have 3 million followers, which means that hungry people they follow you. People will get 50,000 followers go market machine today, tomorrow customer will come. People will not get, because people know they say this and they know them for this thing. Truth and honest. You've been there talk truth before. We agree with you. But now when you don't turn to content creator, you are a content creator. Let us be analyzing ourselves as a content creator. The respect you have. It's okay now. Ever since we notice say it gets particular people where they fight.
Why?
Now I know say para. Your apology is not accepted. You must redo your apology. If you don't redo your apology, you go cry. You get very dark.